if you want to upgrade your outdoor space, and it's not only for pools, although this works incredibly around a pool deck. But I mean, we are using it in a bunch of different places and it looks fantastic. Now, first of all, what is it? Well, we were sent this really cool solar LED bicolor light for our review, and this little puck is what it is. This is a 12 pack, and it looks like metal, but it is hard plastic because this whole section here is weatherproof, of course. You've got the LEDs on this side and on the other side. Now, if you flip it, this is where you've got your off and on. You've got two different on buttons because one will go with the normal white light and the other one will give you a nice little blue light, and I'll show you one. This is the white light as it is. I'm just going to make sure that I've got to make sure that I block the sunlight right here hitting the solar panel. So that's the white. And then the other one is a cool blue. Now it's really hard to see, but I'm hoping you can actually see that cool blue right there. And the beam is actually a nice throw. So it does look really nice at night. Now the really cool thing that I was very surprised, and I tested it, is that it's supposed to be dusk to dawn, right? So at night, sun sets, this turns on automatically. And it's supposed to kind of like last the night. Well, it lasts way longer than that. So if you are in kind of in a shaded area, or maybe the sunlight doesn't really hit it really early in the morning, this is still going to be turned on for way longer than 8 hours only. So that's a really cool thing to have. Now, one thing to note, the screws where you would be attaching it like this, so basically screwing it down, the screws do not come with it. And you have to keep in mind that once you actually screw it down, you are no longer able to change the color, right? Because that's underneath. So maybe some people would say, oh, I'd rather have the on off or the kind of color button on the side, but I like the sleekness of it. I like that it's flush to whatever surface you would install it. So I don't mind having to unscrew two little screws and then literally just flipping that switch to the other color. But yeah, all in all, fantastic little device, really nice solar panel that actually lasts a long time with that battery inside. And it is a beautiful, beautiful glow.